want you guys check out this EK hatch, dude. This guy's got some insane shit done to this thing. Damn. He did everything to the motor, dude. And look at this. Yeah, look at that turbo in there. Can't get a good picture of it, but at least let you guys get in there and see. This thing's crazy, bro. Yeah, this thing's sick. Oh, he's shining the tires right now. Very cool car, though. He's got the flip up. He's got the flip up steering wheel. Sick.
Oh, damn.
Got the looks like Recaro bucket seats, but not 100% sure. He's got his check engine light on in the back, dude. What are you doing? No, you're good, dog.